I'm going to show you how to create a Qatar Airways account. First, open your preferred browser and search for Qatar Airways. Then, go to the official Qatar Airways website. Click on Login or Sign Up to start creating your account. Here, you'll see two options, Privilege Club and Student Club. For this tutorial, select Privilege Club. Enter your email address and agree to the terms and conditions. A verification code will be sent to your email. Enter the code to continue. Next, fill in your personal information and click Submit. That's it. Your Qatar Airways account has been created. Now click Login Now and sign in with your email and password. You may receive another verification code by email. Enter the code to complete the login process. And there you go. You're now logged into your Qatar Airways account.